In today's video, let me go ahead and discuss about how to edit videos using the software Wondershare Filmora. And let me go ahead and open this Wondershare Filmora. This is version 9.3.6.1. And using this software, we will be able to edit videos as well as we can make videos from pictures, or we can crop and different kind of videos. And let me go ahead and open this. And as I have few projects saved here, let me go ahead and open the new project. And here you can select the aspect ratio. Like you can see, for if you want to make your video of 16:9 widescreen, you can choose this. And if it is an Instagram video, you can select option and portrait and standard and cinema. And I am going ahead and selecting widescreen. This will suit for YouTube. And also, if you want the open project here, and if you have any projects saved before, you can use it. And if you are using the same template or uniform template for your videos, you can go ahead and use the open project, and you can choose from the old videos. Now let me go ahead and open a new project for you. And here this is the section where you can add images, files, and also audio here. And this is where your work area, where all the images and videos played will be shown here. And this is the timeline where you can add if you want to edit. We do all the editing over this bottom portion here. And also there are different options here. That is the media, where you can choose files and images. And this is the audio. There are many audios already saved here, and you can, if you want to do any background music or anything, you can choose from here. And also here, also in film stocks, also there are more effects. And tiles is the option where you can, if you want to add text, you can choose the option from tiles, where you will be having a different set of a different display of text. And also you can choose any one from here. Transition, you can choose the transition if you are adding more images or videos continuously to your video. You can, if you want to select any, you can select any of one transition from here, same like the PowerPoint we do. And here are the effects, where you can get more effects and filters. And elements also you can add. There are number of elements you can add here, and you can choose these elements, any of the elements from here. And split screen also, if you want to split your screen, you can do accordingly. Okay, now let me go ahead and create a video for you, and also will show all the editing options. Let me add few pictures for you. Okay, here. Okay, now I was doing some pictures on, actually I have a news channel, and I'm using these, I have saved these pictures for creating a news video for my channel. Let me go ahead and add the images for you. And if you want to add any videos also, you can add it. Let me import one video from here. Okay, I have imported video also. So whatever, in what order you want to take, you can you want to play a video, you can add the images and as well as the videos accordingly. First let me go ahead and add these images, and in between, if you want any images, any videos to be played, you can play it. You can you can here, you can have an option for resolution of the video, that is, you can be matched to media, or you can keep the project settings. Okay, this is I have added a few images as well as the videos here. Okay, now you can see here, whenever I add the import in whenever I add the images from the import section here, it will automatically come here down. You can see this, and this is this you can if there is any gap also we can delete it. Okay, here also if you want to drag the video, you can use this drag line and drag it over, and here you can see the display of the video or images at that particular point, and also here if you can play this video, and it will comes how the video will be displayed when we export or when we upload any video from the saved one for the YouTube. And this is how. And here if you want to on the beneath, this is the work area where we will do all the editing and stuffs. Here if you want to make it here, you can zoom it out and zoom in here the timelines. Okay, let me keep it like this. Okay, now the video has been this is how the video will get played. Let me go to the start of the video, and while playing you can see that if there is any black portion here, the video will come black. So you can do a right click on it and you can click ripple delete, or else you can just press the delete option and it will get deleted. And okay, this is how the videos will get played. And if any images, you can see that the images are not fit to your video, you can just drag it. Okay, you can keep it like this so that the video will play. While playing the video, it will be good. Okay, now let me drag it down also. Okay, this is how. Let me take it out this video for you, and we will edit these 3 pictures and we'll show it to you. And if you have any introductory videos for your YouTube channel, you can add it here. And if you have any end video to ask the subscriber to subscribe the video or like the video, you can also add it at the end. Okay, now let's go ahead and move to the first image. And if I want to add the transition, here we can click. If you can click here, and then if what transition you need, it will be if it is dissolve or fade or any transition, you can hear the demo here, and we can add the transition and add the transition to the video here. If you play it, you will be able to see the transition, how it transition to the next video. And you can add the transitions to all the videos, all the images here throughout the video. Okay, then the transition part is over. If you want to add any titles or any text for your video, you can click here and add it. And anyone you can choose it from here according to your content of the video. And if it is a news channel or anything, I usually chooses the titles like this. Okay, let me go ahead and choose this for you and we'll show it. Okay, here is the title. You can, if you want to drag the title throughout the video, you can go ahead and drag it. And if you want to make it for a particular period of duration, you can do it. And let me go ahead and edit this for you. And if you want to type any things, any options, any text here, you can type it here. And if you want to make the text, you can change the font here. And also you can, if you want to make the size of the text bigger, you can make it. Okay, and this is how we changes the text. And also if you want to change the tiles and the way of tiles, you can change it from here. And also we can change the color of the text here. You can click here, and if you want to change the color of the text, you can do it. And there are also different other advanced options here. If you want to blur, or if you want to have a text border, you can select here. Okay, if I select yellow, it will be known. Okay, and also there where you can change the text shadow, everything, and also we can fill the colors. Okay, and that's the part from text option. And now if you want to control the motion of here, you can see the image. If we can edit the images which we are using, and if you want to do any color enhancement or any tone change for your image, you can choose this and you can change the colors. And if you go to the motion, you can see if I select any particular motion from here, this image will whenever we play the video, this particular image will pops up like this. Okay, like this we can choose any motion of the particular image, and if we apply it to the video, it will, and we have to apply it to all the videos here. Okay, now if I go ahead and play this, okay, it will comes, the videos will come and pop up like this with the text also. It has been displayed here. Okay, now that's all about the tiles and also the motion of the images. Now you can see, as I said, the effects. You can add filters to the images. You can see if I add filters, the images will change accordingly. And few filters will give the image a lively option, so lively like video. So you can add the filters accordingly if you have, if you like to add the filters which will be appropriate for your video. And here also there are many elements you can add. If you want to add anything, you can go ahead and add this to here. Let me go ahead and play this for you. Okay, there are different templates here. You can add the elements also. Here is the split screen. As I have said, here is how the split screen works. Here you can add the images accordingly. Can you see for 2? Let me go ahead and add this. Let me for 3. Okay. And this is the split screen option. And now let me go ahead and edit this. And if you want to create any thumbnail for your videos, you can use this very well use this split screen. This will be helpful for you, useful for you. And now let's move on to, if you want to add any audio for your images, here that is the audio for your video. I'm sorry, for your video. Here we have many videos saved here. You can choose any one video from here. You can play it here, and then you can select it from here. Or else if you want to, if you have any audio saved in your computer, you can also use the audio from here. You can import the music from your desktop. Can you see, if you have any audio files here, you can choose it, and also you can save it here. You can save it here, and you can select any one audio here. Let me go ahead and add the audio. If there is any audio added, it will come here. And and let me go ahead and play this for you. And you can change the volume for the video by adjusting the mouse, the cursor here. If you want to increase the volume, you can increase it. That's about the audio. And also if you want to drag the audio to the video size, you can go ahead and drag it. Now by this way you can add the audio. And if you have let me go ahead and explain you the options over here on the right part of the window. Okay, this is the quality and display settings where you can adjust the project the zoom level and all here. And here you can see this is the snapshot. If you want to take a snapshot of this, suppose this will be useful for us to create thumbnail. Assume that I have to take this picture as thumbnail. You can go ahead and click here on snapshot here, and the snapshot will be saved in the Wondershare Filmora folder. Here the user media, that is documents, Wondershare Filmora, user media, and snapshot. Here you will get the snapshot. Can you see the snapshot here? Okay, this will be useful for you to create thumbnails for your video. And this is a snapshot, and here is the while playing you can adjust the volume here. And here you can see this is the recorder button. This is very important button, the recorder. If you want to add your voice, or if you want to record your voice while playing the video, you can click here, and you can, if you want to mute your computer, you can do it, or else if you want to record it, you can click here and you can record it accordingly while the video is playing. Here you can see now I am recording my voice. Here the voice which I am speaking is getting recorded here. And you can, if you want to stop it, you can pause it accordingly. Here is it. Here is, if I play this, you can hear the voice which I was speaking while the video is playing. Here you can see now I am recording my voice here. Okay, now you can see that, right? If you want to increase the volume here also, if you want to reduce the volume of the recording, you can do it. Another thing we can do from the recording is you can change the pitch accordingly. Here you can give a double click on it, and if you want to change the pitch, or if you want to fade in, fade out, or remove background noise, you can, if you want to use the equalizer features, you can use it from here. That's about the recording. And this is audio mixer. Also if you want to, suppose there will be two, now here you can see two audios here, so audio 1 and audio 2, you can change accordingly. Like if you want to if here you can see the audio mixer here, and you can change it. If you want to increase the volume, you can change it here also. Okay, that's all about the editing part of the video. And once you are done with this editing, you can click here on export, and you can export, and you can save this video as, you can save this video, and then you can click here on export. It will take few minutes, and the video file will get saved on the region where saved on the documents folder where you have saved. That's all about the Wondershare Filmora Go. This is a simple software where anyone can do editing on it, and also it will be helpful for you to produce a good quality video from the images, or even you can crop, trim, or anything you can do. And in this here also, in images also, if you do a right click, you can crop the image. And also if you have a video, you can do a right click, and from the images there are different options. You can go ahead and explore it. While once you start using editing the videos using the one this particular software, it will be easier for you to understand. What I have said is the basic things where you can apply it. If you are the starting, if you are a starter from the if you are a start for this YouTube firm, you can very well use the Wondershare Filmora rather than using many other softwares. And thank you so much for watching, and stay connected for the next video. Thank you.